Welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to have 7 minutes about 4 postural exercises to improve posture and strengthen your core. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. The best way to correct your posture is to concentrate on activities that support your core, the abs, and lower back muscles joining your spine and pelvis. Some of these muscles move your torso by flexing, stretching, or turning your spine. Others stabilize your pelvis and spine in a natural, neutral pose. Old-style sit-ups utilized only a few of these muscles, usually with jerky speed. In this video, we are going to be sharing with you 4 exercises that strengthen your core to support your spine. Make this posture-boosting training a routine part of your exercise. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 4. Single leg extension. This motion prepares your core muscles to function together better to stabilize your pelvis. To do this exercise, you should lie on your back. Bend your knees. Put your feet flat on the floor and your hands behind your head. Push your low back into the floor, and bend your head up off the floor. Exhale deeply and tighten your navel in and up toward your spine. Gradually pull one knee into your chest, holding your low back pressed to the ground while raising your other leg straight at about a 45-degree angle off the ground. Hold your abs pulled in and your low back on the floor. If your lower back arcs off the floor, raise your leg higher toward the ceiling. Change legs. Start with 10 extensions on each side. Pull your knees into your chest, then extend your legs straight at around a 45-degree angle, operating your core to support your low back on the floor. Or, as you open your legs, raise both arms overhead, reaching the opposite direction from your legs. Number 3. The new crunch. This move is also called a curl up. This workout operates the rectus abs, which are the six-pack muscles, and obliques, which operate sideways around your waist and support rotation of your torso. To make this motion, lie on your back with your knees angled. Place your feet flat on the ground. Push your lower back into the floor. Put your hands behind your head, or get your arms toward the knees if it doesn't put too much pressure on your neck. During the move, exhale deep and pull your navel in and up toward your spine. Next, curl the head and shoulders gradually off the ground. Hold this pose, then lower progressively back down. Repeat the move 5 times. If you want to increase the intensity, you can extend one leg directly toward the ceiling at a 45-degree angle. Or maintain both legs off the floor, knees bent, with your shins parallel to the ground. Number 2. Pilates Roll Up. The reason why it's good for you is that this motion functions the rectus abdominis, obliques, and transverse abs, which are the deepest abs muscles that surround your waist like a corset and pull your belly inward and upward toward your spine. The starting position of this move. First, lie on your back, keep your legs straight, your feet flexed, and your arms reaching overhead on the floor. Push your lower back into the floor. Exhale strongly and pull your navel in and up toward your spine. Roll up in the slow movement, getting your arms off the ground, then your shoulders and head, rolling up one vertebra at a time until you're sitting up with your abs still pulled in. Gradually roll back down. Repeat at least 5 times, adding more as your core gets more powerful. To increase the intensity of the move, cross your arms over your chest as you roll up. Number 1. Crossover. This exercise works all the core muscles, primarily focusing on the obliques. Lie on your back, put your hands behind your head, your chest should be lifted off the floor, knees pulled into your chest. Hold your lower back pressed into the floor. Exhale strongly and pull your navel in and up toward your spine. Next, pull your knee into the chest while stretching the other leg straight and turning your torso toward the bent knee. Gradually change legs, pulling the other knee into your chest and pivoting your torso toward it while expanding the opposite leg off the ground. Repeat 10 times, adding more as your core gets more powerful. Hold your ab muscles in and up toward your spine as you do these exercises. Perform slow, controlled activities, breathing evenly, without keeping your breath. If you have mild lower back pain, core strengthening movements may enhance posture, relieve symptoms, and prevent future pain. If you have severe lower back pain or injury, are out of shape, or have any medical problems, talk to your doctor before you begin any training program. Some exercises may not be recommended. Even if the recommended practices give you pain, stop doing any activity that causes pain or makes the pain worse. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.